Right, Nelly. So, just want a quick little video for the those kind of open chords I was showing you. You know, kind of a nice way to get up the fretboard without having to use bar chords. And just want to show you what that looks like. But as I said, Wayfair and Stranger definitely the main thing. So just keep chugging away at that, and you'll be well along. So anyway, so the chords, those open chords. First of all, the first set we showed you were based on the A string. And it's basically a case of some given fret on the D string. In this case, we'll start off on the seventh, and you're either coming back by one on the G string or two. Okay, so that's basically it. So, and you can sort of, as I said, trial and error, see which ones work. You know, some of them work very nicely, some of them not so much. You know, so see which ones work for you. So I'll just show you some of the ones that you can get with a kind of a dark, sad tone first, and then the kind of the happier ones, right? So we've got 5 and 7, or 7 and 5. So I'll go for D string, G string, what I'm calling these out. So 7th fret, 5th fret, 5 and 4, 3 and 2, 2 and 1. So that's 3 and 2, 5 and 4, 7 and 5. And you can take it up the way as well. 9 and 7, 10 and 9, 12 and 10. I like that one up there as well. Very, very dramatic. Okay, so that's the kind of the dark way of going about it, the kind of the minor way of going about it. So major, we'll start off on the seventh again because that's kind of the root chord, the seventh fret. I could start at the bottom, but generally you would start from that seventh fret position on the D string. So this time we're only coming back one fret from that, so we're on 7 and 6. So instantly, totally different mood. Very kind of light and happy. So we've got 7 and 6, 6 and 4, 4 and 2, 2 and 1. So back to 6 and 7 again. Then you can go 9 and 7, 11 and 9, 12 and 11. Okay, so just any order you like. Just see what happens when you do it. That sounds a bit like System of a Down, actually. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. That's kind of all in the key of A, either A minor or A major, depending on the way you arrange it. So the D version is a bit simpler because it's always one fret on the G string and one fret up on the B string. Okay, so it's basically you're starting off with a D chord, take the middle finger out, and then it becomes a D sus2. Okay, and then so these don't move relative to each other. You always just keep the same shape and you're just shifting it up and down the fretboard. It's not like the A one where there might be two frets between them or just one. So this is just always one fret between them. So for a darker way of going about it, you would go, so I'll just call it from the whatever fret the B string is on. Okay, so 3rd fret, 5th fret, 6th fret, 8th fret, 10th, and 11th. Okay, so that's 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11. Then for a happier one, you can go, so 3 again, 5 again, that's the same. Then for the third one, and the third, as we'll talk about later, is kind of what decides whether it's major or minor, whether it's happy or sad. That's 3rd degree in the scale, let's say. But we won't worry too much about that. So 2, 5, 7. Okay, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So so when you get bored of the basic sort of major minor chords, try some of that as well because it's a nice easy way to get up the fretboard without having to do those bar chords, which we will be getting to by the way. But for now.